Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurveda medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about the most common problem, that is why I don't feel hungry. Many people have written to me like I want to eat food, but when I start eating I don't feel hunger, and sometimes I eat only 3 spoons of food. Especially this problem is with those people who are in very good positions, who are quite wealthy, quite rich, and they can afford anything, but they don't have hunger. During consultations many people have explained to me like their whole day diet sometimes is 2 or 3 spoons in the morning of food, 2-3 spoons of food in the evening, and 5-6 spoons in night, and they say they can afford anything, it is just they don't feel hungry. So how to eat food in such cases? And as I say in many of my Ayurveda videos, like if you don't have hunger, don't eat much, because don't eat food beyond your hunger. And that's why they feel like hunger is only for 2-3 spoons. So that means what, like we should eat only 2-3 spoons of food? So this video is all about how you can enhance your hunger. There can be many reasons why we don't feel hunger. One thing is we don't have enough digestive fire, that is our Jatharagni according to Ayurveda, and sometimes our liver is not functioning well, like there is a lot of heat on our liver. Because of that also we don't feel hunger during day or at night. Even somebody's lifestyle is very active, still he doesn't feel hunger because there is a lot of heat in the liver. In Ayurveda we also speak in a way all these problems like there is excess of heat in the system, that is your liver is possessing overheat. So this is one reason that when you don't feel hunger. And another thing is when you don't feel hungry, there is like these our gastric juices, they are not able to digest your food, they are not providing enough digestive juices, and that's why your previous food is not digested and you don't feel hungry. So these are two reasons why we don't feel hungry according to Ayurveda. So let's see what are the solutions in Ayurveda in such situations. So first thing is, whenever a patient comes to us and he says like I don't feel hungry, the first and foremost thing that we do is knowing your body type, that is Prakriti. In Ayurveda there are 7 kinds of body types or Prakritis, that is the constitution with which we are born with. Regarding constitution or regarding Prakriti, if you want to know much more, there is a video I have created like Dosha Series. You please go through that video and answer all the 7 questions, and I will let you know in gross way what is your body type, so that it will be helpful for you to know your Prakriti and know your digestive fire. So this is one thing. Once you get to know your body type, if it's a Kapha body type, then we go through different line of treatment. If it is Pitta body type, then we will go through different line of treatment. So in this video, I will talk about Pitta body type. If you're Pitta body type and you are eating those things which are very hot in potency, that is overuse of spices, and other things which are very hot in potency like alcohol, and many spices like ginger which enhances the heat in the body, excessive use of turmeric that also enhances the heat in your body. But if you are Pitta body type, you need to reduce the use of all these things. Though ginger is a very good medicine, turmeric is a very good medicine, but if you are Pitta body type, that is you already have excessive heat in the body, that means you need to reduce the intake of both of these things, because if you are not feeling hungry, that means this is the time that you stop using both of these things. Turmeric you can use little bit of half teaspoon, but ginger you totally stop for some time, and later once your body will come into balance, you can again start using these things. Now the question comes, what we can do, we are not feeling hungry. So let's see what solutions are there in Ayurveda. So first thing regarding this is the very biggest solution, that is enhance the intake of fruits in your diet. So what kind of fruits? Seasonal fruits and fully ripe fruits. These fruits will help to detox your liver. Regarding detox also I have created video, you please watch that video, it will be helpful for you, like how fruits can do detox and what is the importance of fruits. next thing, stop using nuts without soaking. Many times it happens like people eat nuts without soaking. That is also responsible for enhancing the heat in the body, and you don't feel hunger. Whenever you are eating nuts, one thing is, if you have a lot of this, you are not feeling hunger, reduce the quantity of nuts, and these nuts should be soaked overnight. Regarding nuts also I have created video, also you can check through my channel and get more knowledge about nuts, what Ayurveda has to say about nuts. So, you use only overnight soaked nuts. In the morning remove the outside peel, and these nuts you can eat. This way all the heat will be removed from these nuts, and then these nuts, if you are eating like in this form, it will not enhance the heat in your body. So, this is another thing that you can do. Third thing is, always have freshly cooked meals. This is very important. I know when there is excessive heat in the system, there is a temptation, this is a craving to have cold food or cold ice cream. But actually this cold ice cream or ice, actually this cold ice cream is very hot in potency. So, you need to stop using it. Also, you need to stop using water from refrigerator. This is also very hot in potency and it enhances the heat in your body, and that is why you do not feel hunger. So, you just drink normal water, that normal boiled water which should be kept overnight, and next morning you can drink it. This kind of water you should drink, that is almost at room temperature or little lower than room temperature, little lower. Because if you are taking chilled water for drinking, it will enhance the heat in your system and it is not good for your health. So, this is very important if you want to recover your hunger. Next thing is, that is a very important tip, when you get up in the morning, start your day with normal lukewarm water, and after having this lukewarm water, you can have either one glass of lukewarm water with half lemon squeezed in it. It is very beneficial. This thing you can do daily, it is very beneficial. But for some reason, if you are already having low weight, then what you do, you take a tamarind, tamarind, in India it is called imli, it is called tamarind. Take one seed of tamarind, like remove the outer thicker peel, and when there is brown colored, dark brown, reddish, rust brown color thing comes, that is seed, along with the pulp outside, just soak it overnight, and in the morning, and add little bit of mishri, that is called sitta also in Ayurveda or in Sanskrit, that is sugar, not refined sugar, it is unrefined sugar. It is very readily available like original mishri, it is not sugar, because sugar to we get in cubes after it got refined. Without refined, when this sugar which is made up of sugar cane, but it is unrefined. So, this sitta, that is called mishri, these kind of this little bit piece of this you just soak in water, or you just crush it and then soak in water and keep it overnight as it is, and in the morning you just mix it up very well and then filter it with the proper filter, and this water you drink it, and you will see, if you try it out for 21 days, your hunger will come back naturally, if there is no other reason for this loss of hunger. Like sometimes some chronic ailment is there, sometimes blood pressure problems, sometimes people do not feel hunger, sometimes if you are taking certain medicine for cardiac problems, then also you do not feel hunger, sometimes for renal diseases you do not feel hunger, sometimes stomach infection, then also you do not feel hunger. But if you see your doctor says everything, all the reports clinically are good, you do not have any disease, and just for no reason if you are not feeling hunger, then you try it out and I am sure it will work for you. But make sure you should not be allergic to tamarind or this sitta, this is called unrefined sugar. That is very easily available. If you search with the name sitta or mishri, Indian mishri, then you can easily figure it out online or even in shops, but make sure it is of organic origin. So, this way if you are using it, it is very beneficial for you. and this will also help you to bring your hunger back. In addition to that, if you're not feeling hungry, try to have 2 meals per day initially, and in afternoons you can have some fruits or juice. Later, when your total full hunger will be recovered, then you can have 3 meals per day. So I hope this video will help you, and this is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question, please write down those questions. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. Also, if you are watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. You can click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.